Hi, I'm Christina.
I'm Tejashin.
I am BONG.
In an effort to contribute towards the SDGs of United Nations, our company, Eat and Help, intends to focus on SDG 1 and SDG 2, which are no poverty and zero hunger. We're going to develop an app which is called Eat and Help. It provides a help while you eat service, which means this app provides food delivery service and at the same time it enables the needy to get help. We'll assist to provide free food to those who are suffering as a result of the pandemic. Customers who wish to donate can order through our app and we'll look into the delivery. Besides, if the donors prefer us to make arrangements in terms of the choice of food, they can transfer the money to us and we'll make arrangements. Now I'm going to show you how our app works. First, you have to register an account in the Eat and Help app. Second, you can either register for help or share the meal to the needy. Third, you can choose a merchant and start ordering. Fourth, choose a vehicle. After you've completed the previous steps, this app will send you a verification of recipient to you.
As we are new to the market, we prepare several strategies to enhance our reputation. We do seasonal offers on 17 October annually in conjunction with International Day for Eradication of Poverty. Promotions and coupons will be offered on this day. It stimulates users to purchase by using our app and encourages them to send food to the needy. In order to promote our business, we will cooperate with the influencers as they have the power to influence purchasing decisions of targeted audiences and gain their trust on our app.
We have a few big competitors like GrabFood and Foodpanda in Malaysia. Earning rewards, free delivery, and cash on delivery are all features that we have in common. However, we have significant advantage as we provide free food and receive donations which none of our competitors do. Besides, be sure to keep an eye on our social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram as we will be advertising there and on our E&H website as well. In conclusion, having a good cause alone will not be significant enough for people to continue using our app. Therefore, we will constantly upgrade our app in the future.
We will consistently engage with our users to make better changes. We are also working on increasing our visibility among other similar initiatives and raising awareness about the importance of fighting hunger and poverty.
Start fighting hunger and poverty by supporting us.
Thank you.